Hey friends, let us make a tutorial for the nozzle of this 6-inch chamber. The message of Mr. Amaray, I don't know from where he is, but he is asking for made the bernal. Maybe the bernal is the burner. Okay, let's do it. First we have to do is let's remove this bolt here. Let's remove the top cover. Let's remove the blower tube here, and let's remove this here. So this is the nozzle of this 6-inch chamber. We can remove this. This is only a nipple, 1/2, and this is a what we'll call this T, 3/4 T, 3/4 by 1/2, and we have a end plug here, 3/4, and a 1-inch cap here at the top. So let's go to the holes of this nozzle. So down here we have 6 holes slanted that way. We have 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and another one here, the bottom here, this one. So 1 hole here at the bottom and 6 holes here slanted that way, and 6 holes also here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 slanted that way. And at the next level we have also 6 holes slanted also upward like this. So they are both upward. And at the next level, another 6 holes slanted again upward that way, 6 holes. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 holes here at the 1, 2, 3, 4th level. We have 7 holes. So let's exchange this one to the bigger size so it won't get loose. Okay, this one is by the way, these are all 2mm holes. Also this one, these are all 2mm, and also this one 2mm holes, and this one is also 2mm size drill bit. And at the top we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 holes at the top slanted that way. So that it is how it is made, the nozzle of this 6-inch chamber, the elevated nozzle, made up of 3/4 by 1/2 T, 3/4 end plug, and 1-inch cap. So that it is. So let's take the measurement of this. So here we will take our tape. So this stands at 8.5 centimeter. This layer here, from the holes here slanted downward to the first layer, measures 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, and the next is 1 centimeter. Next is 1 centimeter also, and next is 1.5 centimeter distance, and the top 1.5 centimeter distance. Okay, this is how this is made, the nozzle for this 6-inch chamber. And let's take a look at the measurement of this chamber. This is 6-inch inside diameter and 6.5 outside diameter. So this stands at 11 centimeter, and the feet here stands at 9 centimeter. So the holes here, this distance from the base for the air blower tube, distance is 3 centimeter from the base, and the hole here for the oil supply tube is 3 centimeter. They are the same height. So okay, and this top cover measures 7 inches, and the diameter of the hole for this is 11.5 centimeter, the diameter of the hole here. So, and the height of this plate 2 centimeter. Okay, that's it. I hope you got it right.